Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of real-world number pairs. This is standard 3.5E in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 11 off the Redesign Practice Online STAAR test. This includes a new item type, the inline choice. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So the table shows the relationship between the number of toy robots a company makes, the number of wheels needed. All right, so this is a horizontal, so we need to be looking up and down. So we need to find what is the relationship. And look at this, we've got an inline choice. All right, so we've got two choices there, plus or times. Then we've got four choices there, 3, 5, 6, or 15. Okay, so before we get these drop-down menu choices, you know what? Let's actually work the problem. I'm going to use my graph draw feature. I'm going to expand it so that it fills up my whole thing. I'm going to change the transparency a little bit so I can see a little bit more of the problem. What this lets me do is this lets me draw all over this particular problem. All right, so I'm going to use this draw feature. And like I said, this is a horizontal table. Sometimes they're side to side and it's vertical, but this is horizontal. So what we need to be doing is we need to be looking at the two different categories, robots made and wheels needed. So the two different categories are up and down, so we need to be looking up and down. So we need to be looking like this. You know what, if we want to, robots made, wheels needed, right? So we could even draw a picture here, right? We could say, all right, here's my 3 robots. And it looks like I need 9 wheels, right? So I'm just going to put, I don't know why we've got square robots, but I'm just going to kind of divide those up evenly. Look, I've got three wheels on each. So we're looking at our robots made and our wheels needed, and the number's getting bigger. From 3 goes down to 9. So what could we do to get from 3 down to 9? Well, when we're wanting to get bigger, right, we've got 2 choices. Now, some of you might be thinking of the answer already because I did draw a picture that kind of gives us a choice, but let me show you how you can do it without a picture. Well, you're going to either add or you're going to multiply. So let's see what adding does, okay? So 3 plus something, we're looking for that rule, it's going to get me 9. Well, 3 plus 6, okay, so maybe it's a plus 6. So let's try that next one. 8 plus 6. It's supposed to equal 24, but what is, no, 8 plus 6 makes 14. So that doesn't work. I think it's not going to work for this next one either. 3 plus 6 is 19. Oh, whoa, it's supposed to equal 39. Okay, so adding is not working. Let's try multiplying. 3 times something, it's going to get me 9. And kind of look what I did here. Look, how many wheels did I put on each of these robots? I put 3. All right, so 3 times 3 make 9. Let's double check that. 8 times this 3. See if that rule works. Yeah, it equals 24. Okay, we're good there. 13 times 3. Does that equal 39? It does. If you're not sure, right, you could do 13 times 3. And then 18 times 3. Probably do need to do it vertically like this, right? That's going to be 24. The 3 times 1 is 3. The 2 is 54. Okay, so the times 3 works. Now, how do we answer the problem? Well, the number of wheels needed is equal to the number of robots. So we said robots times, you notice your options here, 3, 5, 6, 15. You have to hit times 3. It's a 2-point problem. If you only get one of them right, you only get 1 point, but that is our answer.